Hi everyone, welcome to Steam Power. Today we are going to make a Suncatcher. And here is the example I'm going to show you today how to make. This is a butterfly. Okay, there are a few different materials that you will need. You will need a sheet of black paper, 2 sheets of contact paper, various colors of tissue paper, chalk, scissors, and tape. Okay, now go gather your materials and I'll see you back in just a minute. Okay, now that you have all of your materials, the first thing I would like you to do is grab your template and cut your template out. Okay, and as you finish cutting, the next step, we are going to grab a piece of chalk and we are going to trace our template onto our black construction paper. Okay, I just finished tracing my butterfly, but as you can see, I did not get all of it, so I'm just going to put it back down and finish the line. And like we always say, it does not have to be perfect. Okay, so the next step is we are going to cut out the template. Okay, and I am almost done with this. Okay, and then our next step is we are going to cut out the white part, the inside area. So we have the clear space and just the outline, so we can put the tissue paper on the inside, okay? Okay, as you finish up cutting out the inside of your template, it'll end up like this. Okay, you're gonna put that to the side, and what we are going to do now is we are going to get our contact paper, and I already pre-cut the contact paper most of the way. What you will do with the contact paper is pick up your template, either this one or the one that is the first template. Okay, you're going to place your template onto the contact paper, and you're just going to measure and see how much contact paper you will need. So roughly, we will, on this, we'll need that much. So I'm just going to cut this in half into 2 pieces of contact paper. Okay, and then next what you will do is you are going to pick up the contact paper, pull off the protective layer, it might take a second to come off. Here it is. And you are going to put it down, sticky side up, onto your workstation. Just like that. And next, what you will do is you will pick up your cutout and you are going to put the part that you can see any kind of chalk on the bottom. You're going to place that on there. Okay. The next step is you are going to cut some pieces of tissue paper. It does not matter what size. And you will place it onto the contact paper. And as you can see, I do have tissue paper that is pre-cut, so I'm going to go ahead and use that. And you're going to fill up the whole butterfly wing, or the part on any part that is contact paper on your Suncatcher. And with this, do not be afraid to cover up other pieces of tissue paper with another piece. The more color, the better. This tissue paper does go a long way. Okay, so once you have your tissue paper placed onto the contact paper, you are going to pick up your other piece of contact paper and take the plastic protective cover off. And go ahead and place it on top of your other piece. Make sure you rub it like that to get all the bubbles out. Okay, the next step is you are going to pick up your Suncatcher and you are going to cut off the excess contact paper. And you're going to trim off any tissue paper that might be overlapping the contact paper. Also, if there is any chalk that you see and if it is bothering you, you are more than welcome to cut that off. If it does not bother you, you're more than welcome to leave it. Okay, I'm almost done. Okay, now we have our completed Suncatcher butterfly. And the last step is you can hang your Suncatcher in a window using string or tape. And let the sun come through and shine its colors from the tissue paper. Hope you enjoyed this activity. I'll see you next time.